Did you know that one Bible verse can completely change how we treat people in crisis? Leonard was a retired property manager who had a reliable tenant named Sarah. She was a single mom who always paid rent on time for 5 years. But then Sarah got cancer. Her medical bills ate up all her savings. She lost her job because of chemotherapy treatments. Leonard was angry when the rent stopped coming. He needed that money for his retirement, so he started eviction proceedings. But then he discovered something heartbreaking. Sarah's two teenagers were hiding their mom's sickness from school because they were scared of being put in foster care. One day, Leonard read Luke chapter 6, verse 36. Be merciful just as your Father is merciful. Those words hit him hard. Instead of kicking them out, Leonard set up payment plans. He connected Sarah with community help. He even waived rent during her worst months. After Sarah recovered, she became his most trusted property caretaker. Leonard learned that showing mercy brings unexpected blessings and friendships.